Hey class, we're going to go over job skill 20-7, which is completing a payroll register. The first thing you're going to need is this online form 105. When you click on it, it's going to populate the form for you. This is the form you're going to be editing and uploading into the job skill. The next thing you're going to need to do is reference back to your job skill 20-6, which we just finished. That is your payroll that you're going to be using. And you're going to put in ABC order their last name first and record the information in a payroll register. So for an example, ABC order, the first person on this would be Lisa Adams because we're using her last name, Adams. So when you go back over to the form, you would put in her first name last, Adams, and then comma, Lisa. And then any of the information you have from 20-6 that you have filled out, her earnings, so hours worked. So let's say she worked 120 hours, her hourly rate, regular pay. So this would be any of this that's regular pay. You would add that and put it, or multiply that and put it here, which you should already have this from the payroll you just ran. Her number of exemptions, you should have this from the payroll that you just ran as well. Any overtime, which I honestly don't think any of these employees have any overtime, so you would just zero that out. Gross pay is the amount, remember, that we start with, and then we do the deductions. So if her gross pay was $1,200, you would write it there. Then each deduction that you've done, her total deduction, and then the net pay. So that's it. And then this is the register for period ending. And if you look back on job skill 20-6, it's going to tell you when you wrote those paychecks. You're going to write that date in there. So if you have any questions, let me know.